Welcome to this little video. I'm going to show you guys from start to finish my little nail process that I do. And I'm going to tell you guys the discount code you can use to get 30% off of the Madam Glam gels I'm using today. These are my favorite. They're the ones I have the most of. I had a different brand that I was using that would like kind of pill up and they weren't like staying on very long. This one lasts me a whole month. This color, all of these are from Madam Glam also, have been on my hands for 4 weeks. No lifting, it's beautiful. So, my favorite products, and they're giving you 30% off if you use the code April O30_3, and then make sure you click the pay as you go option. There is an option that gives you the similar discount, but it is something that charges you monthly. And so if you don't want to have a monthly subscription to get the bigger discount, then make sure you select pay as you go. And then you can order, it's 30% off their website, which is awesome. So this is definitely much more affordable. I was paying like $70 to $80 a time, and I was going every 3 to 4 weeks to get my nails done, and I loved doing it, but I was like, it was taking so much of my time and my money. So I was like, oh, it was getting to be a pain point. My biggest pain point was the scheduling, because like sometimes I just like can't figure out a time, and then the girl that was doing them, she's really great, but she couldn't figure out a time, or I'd forget. So I started doing them at home, and I'm never going back because it does take me a little bit more time, but considering the drive time to and from my girl, it's actually the exact same or a little bit less. So it's the same amount of time, and these are like, I think with the discount, they come out to be around $9 or $10 for a bottle, and that will last you, I mean, you know how long nail polish will last. It's a long time, but it's fun to get up a good collection. So, I'm going to show you, this is the Macaron collection, and it's all of their pastel spring colors, and they just came out and they're incredible. There's 11 of them. I don't have one of them, the speckles, but these are just all gorgeous, and I'm going to try to do something with all of them today where you can see them all on my hands. I think I might just do like one, because I have 10. I might just do like one finger per color just to show you all the colors, and then maybe I'll make them look like Cadbury eggs with a little bit of a speckle, and then I will put a matte top coat on them. So here we go. Here's the little, I'll put a link in the description to their website, and then remember the code April 030_3. So there you go. All right, I started out by filing my nails, and I was just removing the nail polish. You can soak these off with acetone, but I just find it to be a lot faster, and I like being able to keep a little bit of product on my nails.
Oh, nail tutorial?
It's not focusing. There we go. I like to be able to keep a little bit of the product on my nails so that I'm not like completely removing it. So I find the drill to be better, in my opinion. So I do that to all of them. And then I'll go in with a file and I'll just kind of shape it up. I'm gonna try to make these kind of like a Cadbury egg shape. Kind of like an almond, actually. So I take off the edges. Okay, next I push back my cuticle. Make sure I get any skin. This is a really important step. If you don't do this step, then this little white skin kind of creeps up on your cuticle line, and the nail polish will just peel right up. So make sure you don't have any cuticle that's in your way. And when you're painting, you want to make sure that you don't flood the cuticle. You want to stay away from the skin. You want to make sure that there's a little bit of space between your skin and the nail. Because that will also cause it to lift. Okay, then I take my drill and And I just scuff my natural nail where the grow out is. And this is just like a regular medium sandpaper round. I'm not sure what it's exactly called, but kind of a lower speed. And that kind of gets some of that skin of the cuticle off too. Because you're counting Nino, right? Or Ambry? I took some alcohol and I just kind of cleaned them up and brushed back the cuticles. And then I'll put a little bit of primer on my nail. And I just kind of go around where the cuticle is because this has acetone in it and it just dries it all out. And I have some product still left on the tips of my nails, so they're a little thicker. This next step I use a hard gel just to kind of give my nails a little bit more thickness. If you want to skip this step, you would just put on the Madam Glam base coat instead. I'm going to just go ahead and put the hard gel on really quick and then we'll move on to the nail polish. So for my hard gel, I just paint it on. For the first one, and then I go in and I just like build a little bit of thickness. And then I take this little Madam Glam light. This is only like $20, I think, with the discount code. Make a little. This is the Madam Glam, the peanut pudding gel. And I'm just gonna make little dots. Top coat with a matte top coat. And then just wipe them with alcohol. The last thing I do is I take a file and I just kind of clean up any edges. And if there's a little product on my skin, I can kind of like scrape it off. All right, there they are. Mini Cadbury egg nails. All done. They're so fun. And now I need to go and get some actual Cadbury eggs. I'll take a couple pictures and then eat them all. So check the link in the description for Madam Glam and then use my discount code. Make sure on the checkout that you click the pay as you go option and you will get 30% off.